Hi everyone! We have two brand new Hilux for releasing. One is the Hilux J and one is a GRS Hilux. We'll start with the Hilux J. This client is from the USA. He just saw me from the internet, and when he bought the unit, he goes straight to me for phase 1 build. For the suspension on this unit, we're using the Profender Queen Series. And on the back, we're also using Add a Lift, Profender Add a Lift on this unit. For the rims and tires on this unit, I'm using the Voc Racing Gram Light. This is the 57 Trans X. This is a discontinued model. This is the BLJ color. As you can see, there's a red accent, red valve. And we're using the Race LPS center cap, black on black, wrapped in BF Goodrich KO2 tires. As you can see, this is the J series. They don't have the over fender, but the wheels, the rims, we're using perfect, correct offset, just a little poke out from the fender. I believe, for me, this is the proper way to install perfect fitment, size. Next, this is the GRS Hilux. The modes also we have modified on this unit is we installed for this one 2 sets PIAA base horn, and also we installed high-powered yellow fog lamp. We'll do a sound check. For the fog lamp. Also, this is the, how do you call that? That second version rear spoiler of the GRS. Top flip ultimate trifold cover comes out with it without removing the rear spoiler. This is the Top Flip Ultimate. You can open full or trifold cover. And also, this is very important, 3-piece rail guard for added protection. Tailgate assist, ProLift, high power LED reverse also we replace. For the interior, the clients want clear tint with a tough heat rejection. So I recommend him with BF Clear Max. This is the 99.2% in heat rejection. A little bit of bluish. Also, Hypotec matting. And also, we replaced the mirror, side mirror, lens to greedy. Wide view mirror. More angle you can see and anti-glare. And also, the blind spot assist is still there. Also, we replaced the suspension. We're using the complete Profender Queen series. It consists of the adjustable sway bar link, the red one here, coilover shocks, upper control arm, for the rear suspension, the client, we use the ARB, parabolic lip spring, to give you more comfort. Excuse me. We also installed inner fender liner. The advantage is more easy to clean. This is original Toyota parts. And for the rims and tires on this unit, we're using the TE37 Ultra Large PCD. This is the 20-inch in gunmetal color with black chrome center cap wrapped in Toyo Open Country RT. And also, we put a sticker race for a little accent on it. And of course, Jaos side step. Okay. See the flush. On this unit. This is the perfect offset for me. Okay. Hilux J, JRS. Simplicity is the best. If you like how we built here, feel free to message me. And please subscribe and follow my YouTube channel, PRS Car Accessories and services. No to fake upgrades, everyone. See you here. Bye!